What is a focus sequence, one may ask? However, as a structural engineering undergrad, it is a path we wish to follow and specialize in. Here at UC San Diego, there are different paths one may take as a structural engineer. The first being a structural engineer that specializes in civil structures, are often referred to as a civil engineer. Civil engineering relates to civilians and the necessary resources. Civil structures are important because they relate to transportation, hydraulic, environmental, construction management, and earthquake engineering, all which can affect a person's life. Common challenges many engineers face is whether their structure or design will survive a natural disaster. Possible career paths include designing structures, teaching, research, structural analysis, and being a field engineer. Further on, geotechnical engineering relates to humans and the Earth, specifically the Earth's crust. Geotechnical engineering is important because it prevents natural disasters from potentially harming humans. A common question for geotechnical engineers is whether their structure can be supported by the soil and ground they built it on. For example, geotechnical engineers here in California must study the soil they are using and study whether certain changes must be done to their structure, as California is prone to earthquakes due to the San Andreas faults. Aerospace structures. The aerospace focus sequence focuses on the design and mechanical manufacturing of astronautical and aeronautical structures. Aeronautical structures decrease travel time, as can be seen in these slide images. However, aeronautical structures allow humans to explore both space in person and through machines that have been manufactured. A common project encountered by engineers in this focus sequence are working on spacecraft and satellites. A key engineering concept to take into consideration when designing a spacecraft is to keep the structure from buckling and the materials from creating stress points. Structural health monitoring and non-destructive evaluations. Structural health monitoring has to do with the analysis of a structure over a period of time with the use of data to monitor changes. This is important because the lives of people can be at stake, while non-destructive evaluations involves the testing of material properties without affecting the structure. A relevant case to this is the Gumdong Bridge in South Korea, which utilized structural health monitoring by closing it off to the public during testing. Furthermore, the focus sequence I am most interested in is aerospace. Due to my current involvement with the students in the exploration and development of space, they have introduced me to the aerospace focus sequence and lots of materials and resources, and it is currently the one I wish to pursue at the moment. And that is all I have for you today. Thank you.